Hey everyone, it's Zach. Today we're talking about survival, but not in the way you might think. Forget the $1,000 bug-out bags and fancy gear. What really saves you are the dirt-cheap, everyday items hiding in your pantry. I learned this during a brutal ice storm in 2016. The power was out, roads were closed, and my most valuable item, a roll of heavy-duty garbage bags. We used them for everything: waterproofing, collecting water, makeshift ponchos, you name it. Preparedness is about having the right tools, not the most expensive ones. So, let's dive into 21 dirt-cheap prepper items you need to start stockpiling right now. Number 17 will surprise you. Number 1 is salt, a survival essential for thousands of years. It preserves meat, fish, and veggies, cleans wounds, melts ice, and never expires. Buy it in bulk. It's cheap, lasts forever, and is one of the most versatile preps you can own. Don't underestimate salt. Stock up and thank yourself later. Number 2 is white vinegar, the liquid multi-tool. It disinfects, cleans, preserves food, soothes burns, removes rust, and even deodorizes. Buy it in gallon jugs. It's cheap, lasts ages, and is a fantastic barter item. Store several gallons. You'll use it for hygiene, food, first aid, and more. Vinegar is a must-have for every prepper. Number 3 is baking soda. It's a leavening agent, cleaner, toothpaste, deodorant, antacid, fire smotherer, and pest deterrent. Non-toxic, cheap, and lasts indefinitely. Get the big bags. Baking soda solves problems you haven't even thought of yet. Stock up and keep it dry. Number 4 is sugar. It's quick energy, a morale booster, a wound treatment, and a food preserver. Essential for making jams, fermenting, and even emergency wound care. Buy it in bulk. It lasts forever and has countless uses. Sugar is more than a sweetener. It's survival fuel. Number 5, matches. Fire is survival, warmth, cooking, water purification, and light. Matches are cheap, intuitive, and reliable. Buy hundreds and store them in waterproof containers. Vacuum seal or jar them for long-term storage. Redundancy is key. Matches are your fire insurance. Don't get caught without them. Number 6, duct tape. Repairs gear, patches holes, makes splints, improvises tools, and seals out drafts. Get several rolls of quality tape and make field rolls for your kits. Duct tape is the ultimate problem solver. If you can't fix it with duct tape, you're not using enough. Number 7, heavy-duty contractor trash bags. Use them for waste, water collection, ponchos, ground cloths, insulation, and even solar stills. Lightweight, compact, and cheap. Get a roll of the thickest you can find. They cover shelter, water, and sanitation needs. Trash bags are survival gold. Number 8, candles. When the power's out, candles provide light and even a bit of heat. Buy tea lights, votives, and emergency candles in bulk. They last for decades. Use them for light, warmth, and even fire starting. Candles are a timeless, reliable backup. Number 9, bar soap. Hygiene is your first defense against disease in a crisis. Bar soap is compact, lasts forever, and works for hands, body, clothes, and dishes. It's cheap, easy to store, and a great barter item. Stockpile unscented bars for maximum versatility. Cleanliness is survival. Number 10, safety pins. They fix clothes, secure bandages, improvise fish hooks, and more. Tiny, lightweight, and dirt cheap. Get a variety pack and stash them everywhere. Safety pins solve a surprising number of problems. Don't overlook these micro tools. Number 11, heavy-duty aluminum foil. Cook in it, eat from it, reflect heat, signal for help, sharpen blades, and insulate. It's cheap, compact, and endlessly useful. A roll of foil belongs in every kit. It's the ultimate shape-shifting survival tool. Number 12, super glue. Instantly repairs gear, seals small cuts in emergencies, and is cheap and compact. Buy single-use tubes for freshness. Keep them in your first aid and toolkits. Super glue is a tiny tube with huge value. Number 13, the bandana. Sun protection, dust mask, bandage, sling, water pre-filter, potholder, signal flag. The uses are endless. 100% cotton is best. Stash a few in every bag and vehicle. For its size and cost, nothing beats a bandana's versatility. It's the original multi-tool. Don't leave home without one. Number 14, zip ties. Fasten gear, repair straps, build shelters, even improvise restraints. Cheap, strong, and lightweight. Get a variety pack and keep them everywhere. Zip ties are the ultimate quick-fix fastener. They'll save you time and frustration. Number 15, toothpaste. Oral hygiene prevents painful, dangerous infections and boosts morale. It also cleans foggy plastic and soothes bug bites. Cheap, compact, and barterable. Stock up. Toothpaste is more than a luxury. It's preventative medicine. Number 16, a sewing kit. Repair clothes, gear, and even suture wounds in a pinch. Needles, strong thread, and a few buttons can save your skin. Literally. Lightweight, cheap, and essential for long-term survival. A sewing kit is a prepper's superpower. Number 17, coffee filters. Pre-filter water, strain food, clean delicate items, dress wounds, start fires, and even use as disposable bowls. They're sterile, absorbent, and dirt cheap. For their weight and cost, coffee filters are a top-tier overlooked prep. Add them to your stockpile. Number 18, petroleum jelly, heals skin, protects wounds, makes waterproof fire starters, and prevents rust. A single tub lasts ages and costs next to nothing. Use it for first aid, fire, and gear maintenance. Petroleum jelly is a survival classic. Number 19, notebooks and pencils. Store info, make plans, draw maps, leave notes, no batteries required. Pencils work in any weather and never dry out. A waterproof notebook and a few pencils are your analog hard drive. Don't rely on tech. Write it down. Number 20, a safety whistle. Louder than your voice, works when you're exhausted, and signals for help with 3 blasts. Cheap, lightweight, and essential for every family member. Attach one to your gear and teach everyone how to use it. A whistle could save your life. Number 21, the disposable lighter. Thousands of flames in your pocket, faster and easier than matches. Buy multi-packs and stash them everywhere. For redundancy, wrap a bit of tape around each lighter. Lighters are the ultimate cheap fire starter. There you have it, 21 dirt cheap items that could be worth their weight in gold in a crisis. True preparedness is about simple, versatile essentials, not expensive gear. Start building your stockpile now, while these items are cheap and available. What's your favorite overlooked prep? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical prepping tips. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and be prepared. See you next time.